Hey you guys. So yeah, it's been a while. I'm not exactly what you call mentally sane right now. Just trying to shed a little bit of light on that, try to laugh about it. I've tried filming videos countlessly, time and time again, even for my 12 days of Christmas that I had going on, and pretty much every single video I filmed, I deleted and I self-loathed and just fell into a pit of utter turmoil, as dramatic and lame and exclusive as that sounds, but I apologize for that. Honestly, trying my hardest, especially for 2019. 2019 is going to be the year of no more self-loathing, and I'm gonna try that as hard as I can. Mind, body, and spirit is my theme for this year. I just want to be healthy, that's all. And I'm working really hard towards that right now. And I'm not gonna cry this time. Not that there's anything wrong with crying. I think that crying is the healthiest freaking thing you can do, especially when you're feeling sad or depressed or whatnot. So yeah, I don't want to cry for this video because I really want to film this video and I want to get through it. So that's why I'm not gonna cry on here for you guys right now. And I'm just gonna get through it and I'm gonna stop talking about this. But basically 2019 is the year. I want to do a few different things on my channel. I want to do more videos that are just gonna make me happier. I'm not gonna care about just making my channel strictly a beauty channel. I'm going to do a lot more than that this year. I said I'd do that last year and I wound up still sticking to freaking beauty videos. I don't know, I kind of want to do something different. I'm still figuring it out, but I think I have an idea of what I want. And I'm pretty excited about it. And I'm gonna work really freaking hard this year to just get better. Even if that means that I can't upload as often as I want to, because I actually want to work really hard on my videos. That I'm gonna be going to school at the same time and getting through 2 science classes, which is not my strong suit, but I'm gonna try. But anyway, for today's video, after I just said that I don't want to just be doing beauty videos, I'm going to be doing a beauty video for you guys. I'm going to be unboxing this Boxycharm that I just got in the mail, and I'm actually pretty excited about this box because one of the products in here I actually flipped out over. Anyway though, those of you that have been sticking around, even though I haven't been posting as much, I really appreciate it. Honestly, this is something that I honestly truly really love to do, and I don't want to let anything get in the way anymore. I'm just gonna work hard. I'm just gonna work through it. Even if I wind up freaking hating this video, I'm just gonna work through it. I'm gonna post it, and I know that's easier said than done, but I'm gonna do it. So if you guys are watching this video, I made it through it and I posted this video. So, okay, let's do this. So the theme for this month's box is Boxy and Chill, which is so cute. Look at the little card. I love stuff like this. I just think it's so adorable with all the little periwinkles and colors and whatnot. So the first thing in the box is this Briogeo Mascaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I actually have this and I have already used this in the past. I don't really have to use it right now because, I mean, my hair is not wet currently. I have already tried this, so I can honestly say this is a really great conditioning spray, and I love that we get this in the box. I know this is a brand that Kathleen Lights always raves about, and I can honestly say this is the only box of theirs I've tried, but I actually really truly enjoy it. It does a great job of making your hair feel so silky and smooth, and I always believe in leaving a conditioner in even after showering, at least a little bit of it in. So a leave-in spray is even more helpful in my opinion. I used up my last one, so I'm actually really excited that we just got a new one in the box, and I'm definitely gonna be using this again. And that leave-in conditioning spray retails for $12, just so you guys know if you guys want to go ahead and try that out. All right, so the next thing in the box is this $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil, and this product retails for $18. Wow, that's an expensive brow product. I hope this is my color. Okay, I can work with this. So it's kind of the same as the Anastasia Brow Wiz as far as like the shape of it goes. Okay, I can work with that. Don't like the way this smells though. Whoa. This does not smell good. That's weird. I wonder if anyone else knows that. This product smells really freaking weird. Okay, so I actually really like this. The product itself isn't bad. It just smells really freaking weird. I can smell it from here. What the heck is that? That's really my only issue with this product because it honestly blended out really nicely. I guess the only other complaint I would have is that it's a little bit too silky feeling, if you guys know what I mean. I kind of like my brow products to be just a little bit waxier personally because I feel like this is just gonna slide around everywhere. But I don't know. I mean, we'll see how it wears throughout the day. I do actually really enjoy this. I actually think my brows look pretty good right now. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie about that. But I don't know if I can deal with the smell. It smells like a baby when they need a bath. I've been hanging around my nephews too much. But that's legit what it smells like. What the heck is that? This is gonna bug the crap out of me. All right, the next thing in the box is the Rainforest of the Z, really? Let's try that again. Is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. I actually like their Rainforest of the Sea collection. I actually thought a lot of the products were really good, especially their lipsticks with that. However, I don't know if I'll like this product that much because it's pretty much all shimmers. I think if you have another eyeshadow palette and you pair it with this, it'll be really nice. And I'm not gonna lie, I actually really like Tarte's formula for their shimmery eyeshadows. I don't know about this, you guys. I don't know. I don't like shimmers all over my eyes. I'm more of a matte girl, to be totally honest with you. I'll just play around with it. Not sure how I feel about this. I like that you get like this nice little mirror here and all that good stuff. So I appreciate that about it. I think it'd be great for traveling. I just wish it came with more mattes. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and speed up this process. I'll show you guys which eyeshadows I'm using and let's begin. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the eyes off camera. So I went ahead and popped on some mascara. I also added in another eyeshadow to the corners because honestly, you guys, I needed more mattes in this palette. Like there were no mattes at all. The only matte in this palette is pretty much the same color as my lid. So I was barely able to do anything with it. This palette personally just was not for me. There are too many shimmers in this palette. The one matte in it barely even blended out the way I needed it to, which was such a bummer because I'm usually a fan of Tarte's matte eyeshadow formula. I don't know what happened with this though. I think this would be great if it's just like for highlight, honestly. You know what? I might use one of these as a highlight. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna use one of these as a highlight. I am going to mix these two right here as a highlight and see if I like it as that at least, because as an eyeshadow palette, this just is not doing it for me. Okay, okay. I don't hate that. I don't hate that. That's not too bad, actually. I might like this better as a highlight, personally. Yeah, I don't hate that. Nice and glowy. Pretty. They might as well should just get rid of that matte and make it a highlighting palette, because that's all it is. That's just what I think personally. And this product retails for $36. And the next thing in the box is the thing I was actually the most excited for. I've been dying to try out this liquid lipstick for so long, and I actually just got the Havana Nights one, which if you guys know that, then you guys probably know which one I'm talking about. It is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Miami Fever. Kathleen Lights was actually the one who created this color, and oh my gosh, I'm so freaking excited to try this. The color is so freaking beautiful. Oh, it actually smells really good too. I know they said that they like revamped the formula and gave them like a cupcakey scent. Oh, this color is beautiful. What the f? Oh my god, I love this color so much. This color is so freaking fun. And the formula actually feels a lot nicer than it used to, which honestly doesn't say much because the last formula was really good. I don't know, I feel like they just amped it up even more and really stepped up their liquid lipstick game. I am a fan. Love it. Kathleen Lights and Ofra did such an amazing job with this liquid lipstick. It's so freaking good. And then the last thing in the box is this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I'm actually gonna try this out later on today. I'm supposed to be going out tonight with some friends. I'm gonna head back later on in the day. I'm also gonna see how this eyeshadow holds up and how it holds up as a highlight as well, and also try out that mask for you guys. So I will be right back. All right, you guys, so it's actually the next morning from what you just saw before. So I'm gonna go ahead now and test out the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask for you guys. Let's see what this mask claims to do, because I've never tried this before. You actually get 2 of them in the box, which is pretty awesome. It retails for $24. It's supposed to nourish the skin with it's supposed to nourish the skin from within using the lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. So this mask is basically supposed to make you look glowy as f. I am in that. I hope this doesn't break me out. I'm a little nervous about that, but my skin is extremely dry currently. It's very textured, so hopefully that helps with it too right now, but we will see. Okay, so you're supposed to apply the mask and smooth to fit comfortably and leave on for 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. All right, I'm gonna set a timer. I'm gonna chill for 15 minutes and I will be right back. All right, you guys, it's currently been like 18 minutes now, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Whew. Okay, so we're supposed to leave the serum on the skin, so I'm kind of gonna let this just like dry into my skin right now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add some moisturizer, all that good stuff, finish up the rest of my makeup off camera, and I will be right back. All right, you guys, I went ahead and finished up my makeup off camera. I actually really did enjoy that face mask. It was actually really good, and I feel like my skin feels super nourished and hydrated, which I desperately needed. So we got the box for $21 and the overall cost of this month's box was $110, which is insane. I absolutely love Boxycharm. I just think it's like the coolest thing ever. But yeah, you guys, that was everything. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, I'm sorry about recently, everything I addressed in the beginning of this video. And yeah, I just want to be better. I want to do better. I have kind of an idea for my next video and I hope you guys enjoy it. It's going to be something really different, but I think it'll be good for me personally, because my theme for this month is mind, body, and spirit, just to be peaceful and to bring myself more self-love. For those of you that stuck around, thank you. I really, truly appreciated it more than you guys know, and I promise there's gonna be some really great content coming soon. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be, and I will see you guys in my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys.